Hello and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to go through our next challenge in the Coding Combat missions. So if we go down here, we've got Coding Combat Sleeping Hour. We're going to click on that guy and then we're going to play this one. So this one's going to be a little bit trickier, it looks like. So we have to escape to X, collect all the gems, and then use at least one concept. So we've got to use the move arguments and then defeat the ogres using strings. This is a combo challenge level. Complete the level goals and at least one of the concept goals using the program skills you've learned so far. If you can, complete all the goals. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit tricky because it's going to merge everything that we've learned so far into one thing, which should be pretty cool. So to start, let's pick up these gems. We get a bonus for killing the bubble. Let's have a look. So let's go hero.move down. And then we're going to go hero.attack. I'm going to go bubble. Let's see if that does anything before we do anything else. Doesn't really do anything, okay? So let's get rid of those because that's not really that useful for us then. Okay, so we've picked up that gem, and then we want to move to the right. So hero.move right. We want to move two of the bubbles to the right. That should work. So we'll go 1, 2, and then we probably want to move up and attack Ursula. So we'll go move up, and then we're going to go hero.attack Ursula. And we know that these ogres need 2 swings, otherwise it doesn't work. So let's run that and see what happens. Notice that you can always test the code as you go. You don't have to write everything all at once and hope that it works. You can test to see certain milestones and see if that works. That worked. Awesome. And we're only down to 86 health, which is great. So then we've just got to come up here and get Rexxar, Brack, and then get that last gem and then exit out. So because this is sort of grouped together, we're going to put another line down so that we've got a bit of a gap to say that that's when we're going up to Rexxar. So I'm going to go hero.move left, and we want to move 2 to the left. We then want to go hero.move up to get there, and then we want to attack him. So we're going to go attack, and we're going to put Rexxar in there. And we're just going to copy and paste that in because we're lazy. And let's see what happens when we run this guy so far. So it's going to go down, get that, attack Ursula, go across, so we're moving left, then we move up, and then we're going to attack Rexxar. Perfect. Great, so then we just got Brack left. So we're going to put another line down just so that we know that we've seen it. And we're going to go hero.move right, and we want to move once to the right, and then we're going to go hero.attack, and we're going to put Brack in there. And then I'm going to copy and paste. And then after all that, we then want to move right 2. So now let's see what happens when we run this guy. Fantastic. Got the gem. Perfect. Nailed it. Good job. Okay. So we'll go done. And we've done the chat combo challenge. Great. So that's done for up to, what, level 5 now. So now we've moved on to level 6 with the cell commentary. Hopefully you've picked up something with all this. And in the next lesson, we'll see how to go with cell symmetry. Commentary, sorry. See you later. Thanks again. See you next time on Steam It with Steve. Thank you.